Tesseract, an unparalleled source of power, holds the key to dominance.
Attention, soldiers. We find ourselves in the year 2050 on the brink of a new era for the world. Nations are vying for supremacy in the race for unlimited energy. The Tesseract, an unparalleled source of power, holds the key to dominance. Your country has invested years of research and resources into unlocking the potential of the Tesseract. But activating the Tesseract isn't a simple task. It requires a powerful beam of light generated by laser machines. Each nation has constructed reflectors to amplify the laser's power. Your mission is clear. Guide your laser through a series of reflectors to intensify its strength enough to activate and seize control of the Tesseract. Teams will have to plan and strategize to create a chain reaction through all the sub-teams. The team which is the most agile, communicates effectively, and collaborates well will hold the edge. The future of energy rests in your capable hands. Will you lead your nation to triumph?